Hello guys, ladies, gentlemen, people, I'm Cynthia, coach of the Germany-Girafarigs, and today we are having the playoffs, quarterfinals of the RDL Season 2. We battle our Week 1 opponent, Lemonen's coach of the Houston Overdrives, if I remember correctly. And yeah, we managed to get first seed in playoffs. We are in playoffs fighting the 8th spot. The eighth seed, I think, which is Lemon. Funny coincidence. Yeah. They are recording too. They have a channel. I knew one they opened recently, so go check out their channel as well in the description down below. Leave a sub, leave a like, leave a comment, be nice, give them some support. And yeah. So either we win here and we proceed into semis, or we lose and we are out of the league. But I can promise to everyone that RDL Season 3 will come after this. Well, once the things and all got selected. I should just stop. So the last game we had in Week 1 we lost because of a Z Azelf, but they said they wanted to try to do some heat stuff this week or the playoffs, because they don't really think they deserve the playoffs, and so they aren't really trying very hard. So we'll see how we do. They still have a scary team, of course, but I changed a few things up from the last team had, because I don't remember what we had last time. I just know we had a guard charm and stuff. So yeah, we have Drachenschaft, the Mega Ampharos, because Ampharos is our goat. Volt Switch, Hidden Power, Ice, Focus, Blast, and Power Gem. Decent coverage. Volt Switch, of course, for the stab to hit stuff. Focus Blast to bash the Heatran if we need it. Power Gem for something else. And Hidden Power Ice for the Sceptile, the Rotomao, and the Altaria, and the Dawnfen and stuff. Of course, max special attack, and max HP with the Mold Breaker. Version 2.0 with the EV Light Trace, max defense, so Conkeldurr doesn't absolutely OHKO us, and because they have a pretty defensive team, or rather physically offensive team. Teleport Trick Room, of course, so we can set up a Trick Room and then teleport into one of our offensive Trick Room sweepers. Recover for recovery and try attack, so Porygon 2 can also attack. We are bringing Luna again with the Cobra Berry to wall the Conkeldurr. Psychic, Moonlight, Moonblast, and Hidden Power Ground. Psychic, of course, for stab, Moonlight for recovery, Moonblast for the Liepard, and Hidden Power Ground for the Heatran. Moonblast also for the Mega Altaria. Although for Mega Altaria we have some other things. Like Fairy, who is offensive with Hyper Voice, Wish, Heal, Hidden Power Ground, some defensive EVs so we don't get blown away by stuff. Also with Hidden Power Ground to hit the Heatran, and Step Hyper Voice Pixelate to hit the other stuff, because everything dies to it. Wish Heal for support. And Salauchzelot is back with the Choice Band, Scrappy, Close Combat, First Impression, Poison Jab, and Throat Chop. Hits everything for really hard damage and basically does close combat stuff. It kills stuff, so yeah. And lastly, the Mafia with the Titanium Z, Moxie, Pursue to pursue trap one of the Psychics or Ghosts, Superpower with the Z to really bash something our way, Brave Bird, of course, for the other step, and Sucker Punch for priority. So, this is a Trick Room heavy team, and we have one Trick Room setter, so we really need to be careful with how we play Porygon 2, because we have 3 turns of Trick Room, because we set it, we teleport, and then have 3 turns to wreak some havoc with our team. It's gonna be an interesting match and very dependent on what they bring. I especially expect the Mega Altaria, because Mega Altaria is good and stuff, but because they are planning to do heat sets, I don't know exactly what they are planning to bring. So I'm very curious. National Dex DLC. No, it was Legacy. National Dex DLC 1 Legacy. I need to pick a new tier, right? National Dex DLC 1 Legacy. That should be allowed. Hello? Yep, good. Okay, good. Let's go. Let's go. National Dex Legacy. That's the wrong. That is the wrong. No. There, this one you gotta. National Dex DLC, yes. It's basically on, she has, they did bring the, like a fun. Pincurchin. Knowing them, it's not gonna be Electric Surge to boost my Ampharosis electric stab. Heatran, Conkeldurr, Altaria, Alolan Ninetales, and Azel. Interesting. So I see no switch. Actually, does Mega Altaria die to 2 close combat from my dear Surfetched? Yes it does. Yes it does if it's not defensive. But why should it be defensive, right? I mean, why should it be defensive? So I know Heatran has Taunt, and Taunt is not appreciated by my Paragon. Would they lead with Conkeldurr though? With Conkeldurr. I like saying that. What's Heatran's average speed? If it has no speed. Slightly faster than my Punch Crow. Deutsch das begann, wenn man letzten Shush. Alter, you watch. Oh, you don't. I kinda like leading Porygon 2. Let's just lead Porygon 2. There's the Ninetales. Does that mean I don't take Hail Chip? I'm just going for the Tri-Attack here. Both. Nice. Ah, damn it, I don't. There's the Conkeldurr. Hello, Conkeldurr, you're leftovers. So that doesn't look like very... You're leftovers. Does that mean you are not guts? Cresselia should still wall you. Yeah. I would say that is wall you. That it's warning you. So let's go for the Psychic here. If I go for the knockoff, it won't do anything. Ah. Yup. The Cobra Berry. There's the Heatran. with the balloon, but bam, the balloon is gone. So we moonlight here, we are faster actually, okay. That is interesting. Now we're hitting power ground. Yup, call the protect. And now we kill the Heatran. No, you don't do the double protect. No double protect for you. Max damage is 31. Did I outspeed Conk? Yes, I did, okay. Yeah, I thought so, it's not. Sylveon, please, I need a heal bell. How much damage does Cresselia take from a Ninetales? Oh, you are a whale with a blizzard. Yeah, I don't die. Hi, Azelf. Ha! Damn it. Okay, the U-turn out first. Into. We'll see soon if it's likely or not. Conkeldurr. What is Conkeldurr's speed? And it has no speed investment. 126, which means Ampharos outspeeds. But Ampharos doesn't kill. Are we not offensive? Let us bit, how much did my psychic do? 49. What set are you? So you have some... Honestly, I don't know how to do this. In all honesty. Because Conkelda underspeeds everything I have other than Amphibious. Okay, the screen is gone. Unfortunately, Moldbreaker ignores your lightning rod. Which means I should be able to just recover up again. Guess I could be a lightning rod, you shouldn't be able to hurt me. The first person that actually hazards me. Oh, that's it. I like that. Nice. Big fan. Same. Such an underrated move. Goodbye. I guess I could still be on, because I take poison over toxic, and Sylvan has the best matchup against everybody. Ninetales comes in. I go for the Hyper Voice. We do a lot of damage, good. We do live another blizzard. I want Ninetales to be gone. Okay. Okay. Solitaria. Goat. Very pixelate. That's what I wanted to do last time. Damn, that does a lot. What did it do? Oh, I don't have Eviolite anymore, I forgot. I forgot I don't have Eevee anymore. Rip. If I'd remembered that I don't have Eviolite anymore, I'd click Trick Room. But it didn't. Because I'm dumb. I very much lose here, which is lovely. Yeah. I need Spadef drops. I need Spadef drops or I crit. GG. It's not stab and it's 0 special attack. Lol. Yes. mainly to counter Kong. Yup. I lose. I have nothing for this. And so we lose playoffs. Because Altaria, I can't deal for Altaria. Altaria eats my team for breakfast. I don't have anything for Altaria. And I made a misplay and forgot I don't have Eviolite in my Porygon 2 anymore. That's why you always keep track whether you have your items or not, because if you forget that, you lose. Well, don't really see what's heat on that set, but okay, I don't really see much heat on these sets, to be honest. Like, the only heat I see is Pinch Urchin, and that's really all the heat. The rest are all standard sets. But okay, win is win, we lose, so GG I guess, but yeah. That's how we end the RDL season. I hope you all enjoyed, it was a fun season. I like Cresselia. Cresselia did a lot of work for me in that season, and yeah. Sadly we lose quarterfinals after making it to the first seed, but that's how it is. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit now, and yeah. Good night everybody, and yeah, bye!